Story has shocked Kolkata's Surendranath College, where bundles of cash were found inside the student union room during a routine cleanliness drive ahead of the monsoon season. Staff members opened an old cupboard and discovered 2 suitcases filled with stacks of 100 and 500 rupee notes. Officials say the notes had been stored for a long time, with many bundles damaged by termites. The estimated value ranges from several lakhs to nearly 1 crore rupees, though the exact figure is yet to be confirmed. Adding to the shock, a revolver and empty liquor bottles were also recovered from the same room, raising serious questions about how such items remain hidden inside the college premises. Police have launched a probe, examining CCTV footage and questioning college staff. Forensic teams are assessing the seized currency and weapon. The incident has triggered widespread concern among students and parents, with demands for accountability from the college administration. Authorities are investigating whether the money was linked to illegal activities and how the union room was used over the years.
দিনের পর দিন ধরে দুর্নীতি করেছে এই কলেজে। দিনের পর দিন যারা টিচিং স্টাফদের লজ্জার বিষয়, একটা শিক্ষা প্রতিষ্ঠানে এইভাবে টাকা পাওয়া যাচ্ছে উইটে খাওয়া। সুরেন্দ্রনাথ কলেজের পেছনে